Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 36. In this lesson, we are going to learn the verb type 2. This type consists of verbs ending in da or da. To get the infinite stem of the verb, you need to remove the da or da from the end. After that, you can add the correct ending. Notice that the third person singular does not have an ending at all. Here is one example. Juoda. Minä juon.
I drink.
Sinä juot.
You drink.
Hän juo.
He drinks. She drinks.
Me juomme.
We drink.
Te juotte.
You drink.
He juovat.
They drink.
Here are some other verbs of type 2. Notice that the verbs nähdä and tehdä have exceptional endings. Now it's your turn. Try to conjugate the verb jäädä.
Minä jään. Sinä jäät. Hän jää. Me jäämme. Te jäätte. He jäävät.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!